Tilal Al Ghaf, the Lagoon update. So this is February 2024. I actually haven't done a lagoon update for a long time because there's just construction going all the way around. So we're here at the sales centre. Of course, there's nothing left to sell because everything has sold out, but we still bring clients to come and see the model and get a feel for this amazing lagoon and the reason. Let's turn the camera around and just check out what is coming. So this lagoon won't open for another year, but these are the waterfront mansions at the lagoon. We've even got two tropical islands coming on the lagoon, each with 12 mansions, millionaires mansions, and you can see construction is very well underway over there. What you see is a 15th of what is coming here at this lagoon, but check this out. This is amazing. Imagine this on your doorstep. So you have your own beach. There's actually sand here. Look, you can see sand with my feet, but then it's clean cement at the water's edge. This water is neither salty nor chlorinated. It's a mixture of both. There's nothing stinging in there. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So this can be your beach. Imagine living right next to this beach and lagoon. You see, more and more people want the community facilities. You don't just want a home anymore. You're looking for this lifestyle for your family, for your children. So yes, you will pay more, but you know, what's it worth? So you don't have to be stuck in traffic heading to the beach every single day. So this is absolutely gorgeous. People are going to have golf buggies to get down here and just check out all these facilities. So if you want more details of what is on the resale market here at Tilal Al Ghaf, get in touch with me. But I just wanted to share with you this video of the lagoon here on what is now the fastest appreciating community and the most in demand and the most popular because of its amazing school here in Dubai. Thank you so much from Tilal Al Ghaf.